Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Zoom webinar registration automation step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Zoom account. Navigate to the Zoom web portal. Click on the webinars option in the left sidebar. Locate the webinar for which you want to restore registration automation. Click on the webinar title to open its settings. Scroll down to find the registration section. Check if the Require Registration option is enabled. If it's disabled, toggle it to enable registration. Next, look for the Registration Settings text. Click on Edit next to the Registration Settings. Review the registration options that appear. Ensure that the Automatically Approve All Registrants setting is selected. If you want to customize approval, choose Manually Approve Registrants. Scroll down to the bottom of the settings panel. Click on the Save button to apply the changes. Now, navigate to the Integration tab on the same webinar page. Check for connected apps or services that handle registration automation. If any integration needs reconfiguration, follow the prompts to do so. To test your settings, click on the Copy Invitation link. Send the invitation to a test email to verify registration functionality. Monitor the registered emails for successful automation. If everything works, your registration automation is now fully restored. For any issues, refer to the Zoom support resources for troubleshooting. You have successfully restored your Zoom webinar registration automation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.